Do you have a 2003 to a 2006 Cadillac Escalade? Well, I just picked up a 2004 Cadillac Escalade ESV. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome back. But if you're new, well, welcome. You'll definitely want to subscribe to my channel because I'll show you how to save tons of money doing your own repairs on your Cadillac Escalade. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. Believe it or not, this really helps me to continue making these repair videos. Are you having a problem with your dome lights not coming on? Well, one of the first things you want to do is check your dimmer switch. If you have your dimmer switch all the way turned off, your dome lights won't come on. So make sure it's in the proper position. You'll need to rotate this button and you'll see your lights come on. Make sure it doesn't click off. If that doesn't work, you're probably going to want to check your fuse. So let's go in under the hood. Okay, hopefully this is an easy fix for you and not something serious to where you have to take it to a stereo shop. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop your hood and we're going to look for the fuse box. So the fuse box is next to the battery. There's the battery and there's the fuse box. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the lid. You can take it off with your hand. There's a clip right here. Just slightly pull up and it'll unsnap. Go ahead and set the lid aside. Now that we have the lid removed, we can look into the fuse box. Okay, let's get the camera in position like if you were standing next to it. So just stand next to the fender there and you're looking down into the fuse box. Now if you look to the right of that box, you'll see a gray module right where the red arrow's at. And if you look above around the 10 o'clock position, right where the red arrow's at, you're going to see a red fuse. It's a 10 amp fuse. That is your dome light fuse. Well, I hope this solved your problem. See how simple that was? Well, I hope this helped. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.